The Linq Hotel and Casino has a lot to offer. It's located right between the Flamingo and the Linq Promenade on one side, and on the other side, Carnival Court and Harrah's Casino is located just a few steps away. Located right at the north entrance to the Linq is Guy Fieri's Vegas Kitchen and Bar. Here, the celebrity chef brings you his big bold flavors and tasty twists on comfort food. And you can take in a view of the Vegas Strip from the 6,500 square foot outdoor patio. There is also the Linq Wine and Spirits, a liquor store with a large selection of adult beverages at Vegas prices. Here's Catalyst Bar, a dynamic casino bar with flair bartenders serving creative cocktails and light bites 24/7. And there is a Serenity O2 Oxygen Bar. Oxygen is now available for recreational use in Nevada. Around the corner from there is the first of two Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, donuts. The official food of Las Vegas. The Linq Casino measures up at 34,000 square feet and contains over 35 table games and 675 slot and gaming machines. Next, here is the Strip Side Rematch Bar. It features crafted cocktails with sports on the video screens and tabletop gaming, and outdoor seating for people watching on the Las Vegas Strip. And here is the south entrance to the Linq. Exit here to get to the Linq Promenade. The Linq Promenade is an outdoor collection of bars, restaurants, and retailers. It is also home to the High Roller Ferris Wheel and the Fly Linq Zip Line. If you'd like to know more about the Linq Promenade, check out the video I made. I'll drop a link in the description box. On the Fly Linq Zip Line, you fly at the speed of 35 miles per hour, 12 stories above the Linq Promenade from the High Roller Ferris Wheel to the Las Vegas Strip. Next, on the south side of the property, there is a long Caesars Sportsbook bar. There is a Caesars Sportsbook betting desk located right at the end. Next, there is a Buddy's Jersey's Eats food truck from celebrity chef Buddy Velastro. Apparently, indoor food trucks are a thing now. And here is the Caesars Sportsbook betting desk. Over here, there is a Caesars Sportsbook Lounge. It's available for private rental. At the center of the Linq Casino, there is 3535 Cocktail Bar. 3535 offers vibrant cocktails, an energetic ambiance, and some casual gaming at the bar. Here's Cheo Mexican Kitchen and Tequila Bar. Cheo offers authentic and innovative Mexican fare plus world-class tequila. They also have an outdoor patio area in the Linq Promenade. And here's O'Shea's Irish Pub. O'Shea's Casino is an Irish-themed casino located within the Linq Casino. O'Shea's offers table games, beer pong, fun activities, and special events. At the bar, you can purchase a frozen Bailey's cocktail for a small fortune. And next, here is Off the Strip. Off the Strip is a modern chop house that offers steaks, pasta, and other American dishes. Off the Strip also has patio seating in the Linq Promenade. And towards the back of the casino is where you'll find the escalator up to Hash House A Go-Go at the Linq. Hash House A Go-Go is a brunch spot that's known for its market fresh American fare and extra large portions. From here, we will walk through the back of the Linq and all the way up to the Las Vegas Monorail station. Just beyond the cashier's cage is the Nook Express, a grab-and-go counter that offers pastries, sandwiches, salads, and coffee drinks. On the left, there is a Purple Zebra frozen cocktail counter. If you're in the mood for pizza but think you don't have the time, there is a pizza vending machine. Here is the Linq Shopping District. It includes an essentials store and a tattoo shop. And all the way in the back there is the Boss Cafe. It offers breakfast sandwiches, breakfast pizza, and Jersey sandwiches. There is also the second Dunkin' Donut location. Continuing on past there are the District 3 hotel elevators and the parking garage elevator. Continue going up the escalators to get to the Las Vegas Monorail station. If you'd like to know more about the Las Vegas Monorail, check out the video I made. I'll drop a link down in the box. Straight ahead there is an entrance to Harrah's Hotel and Casino. Turn right to walk up to the Las Vegas Monorail platform. Hey, thank you for clicking and dropping in. I'm so glad you joined me for this walkthrough of the Linq Casino. You can show support for my content by hitting that Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I dropped a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for another helpful Vegas video. Tap that center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.